Hello folks, welcome back again to our channel. There are two main reasons to make this video today. Number one, to share the trading performance of Invesfinc advisors for the 6 months of financial year 2022-23. And number two, is stock markets worth it and should everyone invest in it? Let me talk about second topic first and then take you through our trading performance. There is a lot of euphoria and buzz around stock markets on social media, especially from the younger generation people who are just fresh to start their careers. Since they have risk taking capacity, they want to test the markets and get a feel of it. There are a lot of people reaching us out to know can they switch to markets as full-time career, and few others want to do it part-time along with their business or job because they are little skeptical and do not want to risk both time and money. The answer for both the questions is yes. But again, you have to put a lot of efforts in research and study on stock market behavior because markets is all about psychology, discipline and patience to wait for your investment ideas to reap your returns. Again, there is nothing wrong with job as such as it gives you decent cash flows each month and prudent savings will help you build assets. However, right investment in stock markets helps you build generational wealth provided you are disciplined and patient for long-term investment. Investments in Indian companies now is really worth it and everyone should invest because India is bound to grow multifold in next 10 to 20 years. Disclaimer here, this is again our view. Well, are you still doubtful? To get further insights and proofs, we are excited to share our trading performance for the 6 months of financial year 22-23. Let me take you through the trading dashboard. Here you see we have 6 months of performance that is tracked. If you see here on the total P&L, we have made close to 40 lakhs. And this 40 lakhs was made on the capital of 2 crore 5 lakhs. So our total return comes to around 20%. And the total wins for us were 17 versus loss of 9. The total risk to reward is 1 is to 1.52. Not bad though. So if you see here, we have total of 26 weekly expiries for which we have traded. Let me take you through the performance on month basis. For the April month performance, if you see for first weekly expiry, there was nil profit or loss. However, for the rest 3 weeks, we have made close to 17.53 lakh as profits, which is awesome because the returns that you see is 8.55%, though we target for 4% returns on monthly basis. Then moving on to May month. May month again had 4 weekly expiries. If you see, of which 2 weekly expiries we had made losses, and then next 2 weekly expiries there was great amount of profit. That is when you see 8,11,000 profit was made. And the total return was 3.96. Whatever we had targeted or aimed for as 4%, we were able to achieve it. Moving on to June month, we had 5 weekly expiries, and then of which 4 weekly expiries had profit and 1 weekly expiry had good amount of loss. Despite this huge loss, still we were able to make 8,73,000 as profit, which comes to around 4.26%. Then moving on to July month, again we had 4 weekly expiries. The first weekly expiry itself was loss for us, and then the second weekly expiry we were able to make profit of around 4 lakhs. However, again on third week and fourth week we had minimum losses. Since we had loss in the first month, which was more, that is when our loss for the month of July was around 2,29,000, which was negative 1.12% in terms of returns. Then moving on to August month. August month again we had 4 weekly expiries, of which 3 weekly expiries we were able to make profit and 1 weekly expiry there was a loss. And total profit for the entire month of August was 7,81,000. I would say not bad, because we were just off by 0.2% based on our targeted return of 4%. Then comes the last month, September. September again we had 5 weekly expiries. The first 4 weeks was really exciting for us because we were able to make decent profits, and then last month we had huge loss. That is because market had suddenly fallen. Maybe we will be able to share you how the entire month's trading had been, or maybe the entire 6 months trading had been. That way you will be able to understand. But despite that, we were not in loss, we were in minuscule profit of 6,000. So of the 6 months, only 1 month we were in loss, that is month of July. Rest all other 6 months we were profitable. So this gives a overall picture of how our entire 6 months trading performance had been. Though we were targeting for 4% of returns each month, our entire returns had to be 24%, but we were not able to achieve it. That's okay. We will have to consider trading as a business, and then that is how we will have to target wherever we could not be able to achieve the performance based on the targeted performance. We should try to make or overachieve in the next upcoming months. So for us, rest 6 months performance is also important, because whatever we could not achieve it in these 6 months, we will target to achieve there. So if you see, 40 lakhs is again not a bad profit, I would say, considering the fact that on this particular capital, 20% over a period of 6 months is definitely good. We are targeting anywhere to achieve around 1 crore towards the entire year, or maybe the end of 6 months. So for that, from 4% of targeted returns, we will have to increase it slightly to 5%. Only then we will be able to achieve this target of 60 lakhs profit in the rest 6 months for us to make 1 crore as annual profit. So not sure whether we will be able to make this profit or not, but however, yes, we will definitely target to achieve it, and we will definitely share how our performance would be over a period of next 6 months. So stay tuned with us. Meanwhile, if you would like to join us, please reach us out on our website www.investingadvisors.com. We are into consulting, advisory, trading, and training. I am happy to share, compared to previous year, now we have 50 plus HNI traders who trade using our strategies. The assets managed by our HNI traders in their self portfolio accounts is crossed 19 crores, and we are aiming to reach 50 crores in next 5 years. You can opt our model strategies on options, on futures, currencies, and robo advisory. For further more details, you can reach us out, contact us here, and someone will get back to you. Thank you.